Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to turn on a gas barbecue. This will be a simple tutorial for lighting a barbecue. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. And yes, I decided to film this video right after a snowstorm, so that's why there's a lot of snow in the backyard and there's a lot of snow on the barbecue. But I really wanted to film this video, so I wasn't going to let snow stop me, and I hope that you appreciate that. Let's get right into the tutorial. So there are essentially two steps to turning on a gas-powered barbecue. The first step is turning on the gas to the barbecue. So as you can see right here, this is the natural gas line that goes to the barbecue. Now with this gas line, I know, and I'll wipe off the snow, that when the lever is pointing away from the line, it means that the gas is off. And in most cases, it's going to be like this. I can't speak for every case, but in most cases, when the lever is pointing away from the gas line, it's going to be off. So you got to turn on the gas, which involves turning the lever. So in this case, when the lever points towards the gas line, that means that the gas is on, okay? So like I said, it might not be the case all the time, but with this one, now the gas is on. So the first step is turning the gas on. And whenever the barbecue is off, your gas should always be turned off, okay? I know some people leave it on and then they just turn off the actual knobs on the barbecue. Don't do that. When your barbecue is off, turn off the gas. So the first step is turn on the gas because it should be off. The second step is going to be to actually turn on the barbecue and light it. Now essentially, I tried to clear off the snow, but basically you're going to have a knob and you want to turn on the knob, which allows gas to be coming out of the burner area. And then you want to press this, which will actually, it causes a spark. You can see it has like a little ignition right here. You could probably hear just a little click. So essentially what you want to do is turn on the gas. I can hear the gas like that, and push this. Okay? And it should ignite. Now I guess because it's so cold right now, it's not lighting. But essentially, that's how you would light the barbecue. You want to turn on the gas and then ignite it. Now, like I said, because it's so cold, oh, okay, there we go. All right, so there's, woo! Glad I caught that on camera. Okay, so I had a feeling like that was gonna happen. I was gonna stop pushing the igniter, and I was like, you know what? You want to do this with the lid open, and that for that reason. If that lid was closed, a lot more gas would be in there, and it would cause a lot more of a flame, of a mini poof, right? But also, like I said, it's only doing this because it's really cold. If it wasn't this cold, it wouldn't be doing this. So as you can see right there, it has ignited. And then what you would want to do is you would want to turn on the other burners if need be. So I mean, if I wanted this burner, I would turn it on as well and ignite it. If I wanted this burner, I would turn it on as well and ignite it. Very simple and straightforward, okay? That's how to turn on a gas-powered barbecue. If it wasn't snowing, if it wasn't so cold, then honestly, like when I turned the gas power on, when I turn the knob on and push this, it would usually light just like that. But use this as a lesson. If it's cold, it might take a little bit longer. Like I said, just whenever you're working with a flame or gas or any type of igniter, you got to be careful. It's simple. And as an added bonus, I'll show you how to turn it off, just because I have to actually turn the barbecue off. I'm not actually grilling anything. I'm actually filming this before work. I just wanted to get this video done. So what you want to do is you want to turn off the gas first, okay? So the gas is now off, okay? And then you want to turn off the actual knob. Okay, very simple. So now the knob is off. All of the knobs are off just to make sure. And then you can, close up the barbecue and so forth. The reason you turn off the gas first is because that allows the gas to be shut off and any remaining gas in the line gets let out. And then you turn off the knob. So essentially there's no gas in the line. That's what you want. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.